This is Krishna's nature, that it's one of his best outstanding qualities of Krishna in Vrindavan, that he likes to please and serve his devotees. This is what makes Vrindavan lilas so madhur, so sweet and attractive, that God in Vrindavan, he comes down to the level of his devotees. In fact, he comes down to the level where his devotees, I'm not God and these are my devotees, and I'm not God and I'm serving my devotees because they want me to be happy. I'm not God and my devotees are bigger than I am. They're God. Sometimes in Vrindavan, when Krishna's with his coward boyfriends, Subal or Sridham, Sudam, they're wrestling as boys do, village boys, coward boys, they wrestle. And Krishna's on one team and Balaram's on another team. And sometimes Krishna's defeated. He's wrestling with Subal. And the rule of the game is, if someone defeats you, then that defeated party has to carry you, the victor, on their shoulders. And you prance around and say, I'm number one, I'm number one. So now Krishna, he's Ajit. He's the unconquerable one, the invincible one. He's never lost a battle in any form he's taken. No matter what avatar or what descent Krishna has appeared in this world, whether it's Nrsimha or Vaman, even a boy Vaman defeated Bali Maharaj. He's a young boy, 11 years old boy. He defeated Bali Maharaj, who defeated Indra and all the greatest kings in the universe. And this little boy walked into his kingdom one day, to Bali Maharaj's kingdom, completely defeated him. So whether Krishna appears as a boy or as Nrsimhadev or as Ramachandra or as Vishnu with his chakra and gada, but he's never defeated Ajit. He's always God, no matter who his devotees are. He's the invincible Lord and Master and winner of all battles. But in Vrindavan, when he battles with his coward boyfriends, his sakhas, his Priyanarma sakhas, then he gets defeated. Ajit becomes Jit. He becomes defeated. Subal defeats him. So now in Vrindavan, in Krishna's Leela in Vrindavan, he allows his devotees, not that he wants to serve them, which he does, but he allows them to become more than him. And then he allows himself to be dependent on his devotees.